Hey guys, this is Daniel with Small Vans Big World, back at you with another van build. We've been doing vans, we just haven't uploaded that many videos. Today we're going to be looking at a passenger van. I'm really excited to show you this one. It turned out really great. So starting off with the exterior, we have a 200 watt solar panel, fan, some window deflectors. Since it's a passenger van, we don't add windows, but you can still use these by rolling it down a little bit. Some lights, shore power hookup, the whole works. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So looking inside, this one has a few unique things that we'll show you. There's a few things we want to talk about, what we've been doing in the future as well. So let's look at this one. We have the same layout we've been doing. It's been a very successful layout, very much liked, with the refrigerator right here, 12 volt refrigerator, fridge, freezer, the storage box right here, nice completely open storage box, portable toilet right here, storage underneath the bed. We have electrical, light switches, outlets, battery monitor, etc., etc. A lot of these things you guys have seen in our other builds. We'll mention some of the things that are a little bit unique, some things that we've changed. And speaking of that, one thing that we've done because of requests from our clients is a bigger opening for this overhead shelf right here. A lot bigger opening to be able to get more items in there. Colors were selected by the clients. So cabinets are a dark walnut. So this is the first build that we did in like just a wood finish. Typically we've been doing in the laminate because that's really durable. Epoxy countertop, overhead shelf, the fabric with the 3-inch memory foam cushions. Really great build. Why don't we have you guys hop at the back door and take a look at some other things. Alrighty, so at the back door, we can see some of the similar things that you guys have seen in our other builds. Things like the pull-out table back here, the futon style sofa bed that opens up, the sink with a faucet that turns around and you have access for the water outside. And then a new one is the AC unit right here. So this is going to be a built-in permanent setup. It is a real AC unit. Before anybody says anything, obviously you could just screw this in right here, and then you pull this extension and you can have AC blown directly at you any which way you want right here. So like I mentioned, this is a real AC unit, gives you actually cooled air, vents through the floor and such. It takes up some space from the lower cabinet, but you still have some space in here. This one has a white farm style sink. Moving this way, we have the open shelf. I feel like you could just fit a lot more items in here. Same pull-out table that we do right here. And then with a big drawer right here, big enough to put like a single burner stove. Of course, with the electrical cabinet right here, inverter, batteries, charge controllers, breakers, all the fun stuff right here. Cool thing on the AC unit, the way it can charge is from solar or the alternator charging through a converter. Since it's a 24 volt battery that, without getting too geeky on the numbers, that's connected to the system as well, so you can get an extended runtime. So yeah, a great van to chill in, great for 1 or 2 people. And we have a lot of amazing and happy clients so far. I think this is like the 15th van build or so. Fan, lights, a couple other items that you guys can see in some of our other videos. One thing I actually want to talk about is the Ford Transit Connects that they have been discontinued since the year 2023. So now in 2024, it's actually February 2024, they're not available anymore. So Ford has discontinued them in the US, as a matter of fact, still available in Europe. So that's something that actually I want to start a few conversations in the comments and chat about with you guys on what do you guys think about that? How do you guys see the microvan industry going? That's kind of one thing that I've been really thinking about. We have a big shop that we're building, so excited to do a lot more vans this year and the years to come. And yeah, just really wondering maybe what kind of vehicles can you guys see getting converted more often if the Ford Transit Connect goes away or they don't come back with a variant. You know, what are some other vehicles that you guys can see, either truck, van, SUV? Something like the 2024 Kia Carnival is like a really cool minivan that doesn't look like a minivan, it's almost like an SUV. I want to like take a look at that and see like what that could potentially look at. So yeah, that's like one thing that is on my mind, and maybe you guys can chime in the comments and see what you think about it. So regardless, whether it's a big van or small vans, we're still doing all van conversions. Let us know, hit us up on our website, our email, if you have any questions or if you have a van that you'd like to do. We're booking for this summer, so we're excited to get a lot more great vans in. Take a look at our portfolio. We have updated more photos of the past few builds and get a lot of good inspiration from there. And let us know what else you guys want to see in the next few builds, what your guys' take is. I'm really excited to get some conversations going, even our layout, what's in the future for micro vans. I hope that once our shop is done, we're we're doing a fully solar powered shop. I hope to have some more kits as well, basically some custom kits that are going to be DIY friendly. That now is a little different. We'll see which vans are going to go for. So let us know what you guys want to see from us as builders. If you guys have, again, questions, let us know. We'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and feel free to see more photos on our website.